Merry Christmas, everybody, and it's day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas. Now, during the 12 days of Christmas, what I want to get over to you is carrying out building walk rounds. Now, whether you do that early in the morning or in the lunch breaks, or possibly in the evening when everyone's gone home, these are very good areas to start to understand where your energy waste is. Now, what I would normally do, I would do a perimeter walk first. I'd come into the building, go to the roof, and then I'll work my way through the building, then possibly picking up plant rooms and meter room areas. Just by covering those areas, you can quickly cover a lot of parts of the building, and you also cover the significant energy areas within the building. And we are looking for very simple things like plant running. We're looking for lighting on. We're looking for temperature levels higher or low in certain areas. We're looking for people working or people not working where we've got very quiet areas and air conditioning, possibly running, lighting running. So we're looking for the low hanging fruit, areas that we can reduce and control during those times. By doing that, I can guarantee that you could possibly make a saving between 5 and 7%, because what you're going to start to do is instigate best practice and energy consciousness within your organisation. So just by simply starting these building walk rounds on a regular basis, that can start to evolve. And by starting to evolve, what I mean there, you can start having checkpoints, checklists, reports. Ask other people to join you to do the walk rounds. Ask other people to go off and do the walk rounds. You start getting different perspectives regarding what you're doing with your energy at any one time.